Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Hey, if you're not subscribed to me already, why don't you check out a few more videos, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything else that I have going on. What we're doing today is we're taking a look at my pea patch. I got a problem, and I know a couple people who's had the same problem. I know my mom, Nina, over at Southern Rock Homestead has had this problem, and Dan over at Home in the Sticks has had this problem, and now I have this problem, and I'm going to show you what I got, what kind of problem I have, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to take care of this problem. Can y'all see that? All over my peas are these little bugs that are called aphids. They are taking over and they're horrible. Now the problem with aphids are they get on your pea plants, any kind of plants. They'll be in the grass and they will suck out all the nutrients out of your plants. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to take care of this, and I learned this from my mom, Nina, over at Southern Rock Homestead. Y'all be sure to go check her out too. So let's go up here on the porch and I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright, so what I have here is I got me a 1 gallon multi-purpose sprayer bottle. Now the reason why I have a new one is because I have like 4 of these, but I've used them for Roundup and chemicals and spraying some chemicals on the house, stuff like that. So I do not want to use that anywhere around my garden. So I went and got a new one. What am I going to use to kill these aphids? Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to use. Good old Dawn dishwashing liquid. This stuff is awesome. Not only does it clean your dishes, it has so many other uses, and I could go on for an hour about telling you what I use Dawn dishwashing liquid for, but that's what we're going to use. Let me get this box opened up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have my 1 gallon all-purpose sprayer, and I have a 1/4 cup of Dawn dishwashing liquid. So that's all you need. So we put the Dawn inside the jug and we fill it up with water. Be right back. Okay, so got my Dawn dishwashing liquid and 1 gallon of water. I'm going to shake this up. Now, before you ask, is there a certain reason why you're using the green kind? The green Dawn? Nope, not really. I just like the smell of the green apples, so that's the only reason why I have it. You can use blue, orange, whatever color they got. It's the Dawn itself that works. So let's see how good it does on these aphids. Just a warning to anybody who's watching that's a bug lover. I'm finna annihilate some aphids. So yes, aphids was harmed in the filming of this video. Alright guys, let's see what it does. Alright, so those aphids are not moving. Killed them dead in their tracks. That is what I'm talking about. So now I'm just going to go down the row of peas, and I'm going to start spraying all these plants. Alrighty, so I used about a 1/2 gallon of water Dawn mixture. Sprayed all my bean plants, and also sprayed some grass. As you can see, we need to do some weeding in the pea patch as well, but it is what it is. So like I said, the aphids, they died on contact with the Dawn water mixture, and also, I mean, it'll kill other bugs. I mean, Dawn will do some damage to some bugs. My favorite thing to use Dawn for is wasps. Man, Dawn will knock some wasps out. But my pea patch smells like a fresh washed load of dishes. But I ain't got no aphid problem right now. So I will, obviously I killed the ones that are on my plants, so they can't make any more or anything like that. I will still have to come out here and look at my peas, make sure I don't have any bugs, and if I see some more coming on there, knock them out real quick. That's a bad infestation. I did not know I had aphids until I come out here to go to picking, and I seen that the aphids were on there. I was like, well, dang. They will, your little pea pods and all that, they will suck the nutrients right out of those pea pods, and they won't be any good. So definitely got to keep an eye on your plants. Make sure you ain't got no bugs. You seen a video that we did of the big horn tomato worm. You gotta look out. You gotta look at all your plants and make sure that you don't have bugs on there. So that's just my little gardening tip for you. Like I said, I learned this from my mom over at Southern Ark Homestead, and you see it for yourself. It works. So, all right, guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. I want to bring you that little tip, show you what I'm doing. Steady working in the garden, trying to get this thing right. All right, guys and gals. Well, I'm going to get off here. Hope y'all have a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. I will see y'all tomorrow in the next video. Until then, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.